moved over there about less than a year ago, and they was bringing me food, and then all of a sudden this box came up with a government cheese. I said, oh my God, let me try it out. Doesn't taste like the original government cheese that we ate back then. They used the real milk. This milk right here is pasteurized, something like that. It's like
When
that
me say
government.
ever since I make it to the top, I turn their target. Them no fi sign me pass their budget. No be mouths, no be brag, just change the subject. I'm hotter than your hottest prospect. Bless up to my brothers for the streets where they hustle non-stop. Bless up to the people where they pick us in the drop.